Doing the best I can. Nope, that is single unit. 715. Oh, wow, they got that. Someone 716. They got some action down there. Well, we got some action right in front of us. Engine 134. Oh, look at it. Backing up. $716. I can't. Oh, I think it might couple up to the Empire service train. That's what I'm thinking, kids. So anyway, here we got Amtrak 87. And they are loading up the private cars, it looks like. Private cars. Private varnish. Amtrak 87 and Amtrak 134. Look, they're neck and neck with each other, and they shut that door. So yeah, I guess we're not a whole lot of action. What does that sign say? Run from maintenance facility. No people. I think. Oh wow, that one has its lights up. It just threw its horn. Yeah, they definitely are doing something with the 715 and the 716 down there. But the 134 and the 87, no strain of the 87. Oh yeah, it looks like he might actually be coming out. Nope, he's backing in. From the looks of it, yep, shadow's getting lighter and lighter and lighter. So he is in. Yep, he is definitely in. Engine bay, 134 and 87. And all of the private cars, including the Northern Dreams and the Northern Sky. You can see it barely has its lights on still. But there you all have it. 134 and 87.